Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. And yeah, we got us a little Macy's box here. I've already kind of popped it open, but I haven't got into it completely. And we're going to find out what's wrapped up in that little pink paper for $15 a month. That's right, this is one of the more affordable beauty boxes. I will say Walmart, I think, beats everybody at $8.98. But the Macy's Beauty Box is going to give you some great sample sizes or deluxe sample sizes, sometimes even a full size for $15 a month. And I do want to let you know that you can sign up now, not for this box and what I'm going to show you, but you can get next month's box, and it's going to be I don't know how you say it, a Shido, I don't know, I'm crazy on pronunciations, but it's $15 and you're going to have a takeover box. So if that's a product line that you've been interested in, it'd be a great time to sign up, and you've got to do it by December 15th. And I got my box early. I think my girlfriend Carol's already got hers and shown it. And I know there's some disappointment in this particular box. It's not the greatest, I don't think. But we're going to find out and see what we got in this box. Now, they have it all wrapped up, but I will have to say some of mine came out of pink paper. So I'm going to get it all out. We're going to get 5 or 6 items. We usually get a bonus gift. And we do have one, it looks like. And I might as well just show that real quick. This looks like a holiday clip. A lot of people weren't happy with this month's box. Maybe because maybe it's all small samples, but like sometimes you get a full lippy, or like last month I got a full eyeliner from Clinique, I think it was. And this month we're getting us a full-size red hair clip. Now I don't know if this varies in color, but I don't have a red, so I'm very happy to get that clip, and that's what I use. I don't use ponytail holders. So, or those satiny things, because they seem to just fall off my hair. They slide out. I don't know. My hair must be too thin or soft. It's thick, but it's fine, if that makes any sense. Okay, the first thing that I'm seeing here, which they don't have in stock anymore, is Red Carpet VIP Gold Foil Mask. And it's the Skin Gem. And these are Bucachol, CoQ10, and hyaluronic acid. So those are to be really good for your eyes. So I look forward to, using those actually. It says the product's unavailable, so I can't give you a price on it. The next thing that I am seeing is they have, did I get that? Oh yeah, they have a sample of Smashbox. And not too long ago I got the Smashbox palette that was in the Ipsy, and now I'm going to have an Illuminate Smashbox glowing primer, and I think I've used this before. And if you buy this full size, it's $42, so it's a great way to try it out. Now I have a blush set, and I think I have this. If I have this primer, I'll put this in a giveaway. I'm thinking I have a full size, but I'm not sure. Okay, so my next item that I'm pulling out here is Yahoo! Elemis. Now that's not too bad. This is a Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. So I'm taking this as you can also use it for a primer. Now I haven't used this. I'm not going to open it up. Elemis usually doesn't work out for me too well, so I usually put it in a giveaway. I may try this because it's something different. It says that the product's not currently available, so it's sold out, and I can't tell you what a 3-ounce jar would be, but it says it's a cleansing butter. This says moisturizer, so that's interesting. It's not even the same thing. I don't know, go figure. Maybe they had to do a substitution. The next thing that I'm going to show you is a Kate Somerville. And this here is Exfoliate. And it's extensive exfoliating treatment. And Kate Somerville is a great product. If you want to buy this full size, it's $26. And most all of her stuff is really good. I know a lot of you like her too. So those are my little samples there. I did get like a $10 off of my purchase, which might come in handy for Christmas. And then we got a Good Girl, and I think this is the regular Good Girl. This is Carolina Herrera New York Very Elixir. Now, is that the one that I have? Let me smell, because it's my favorite if it is. What are the notes? Black cherry almond, yep. Tuberose rose and vanilla cocoa. Yep, this is my favorite one. I've already bought this in full size. Oh, yeah, I love this. So now I'm going to put this in my purse. I have one by my desk because I bought a 10 mil, travel, and I have it by my desk. And then, of course, I've got the other one, the little shoe, in my bedroom with all my other perfumes. So, wow, I'm glad to get my favorite, and I'm going to stick this in my purse. That's wonderful. Now, we'll be keeping that for sure, and I'll be keeping the clip, and I'll be using the golden eye patches. Now, things that I may not use are these right here, because I may already have this, not sure about LMS, and I usually don't use Kate, even though I know she's a great product. I might try it, though. But anyways, I am going to have a Macy's box of goodies of these deluxe samples and stuff in one of my giveaways. I don't know where it's going to show up at, but you'll be seeing that on a Mass Monday or something. So keep a lookout for that. I'm just going to have a giveaway. If you've watched this far, then leave me a red rose down in the comments if you want to have a free sample of Macy samples that I have been collecting, and I've got it in its own little Macy's box, and it'll be wrapped up in pink just like they do it. Then put a rose down there, and I'll let this run for a week or two. I'm not sure. I'm gonna, let's see, when will I end it? I'll end this on the 15th. And so put that little rose in there, and this will be an extra little bonus that I'm doing in December for Christmas. So hopefully you'll have all the little samples before Christmas. So do that. You have to be 18 years or older, address in the continental USA. Macy's and or any brand products I show are not affiliated with the giveaway. It is just my way to thank you guys, because I thank you. I'm collecting this, and my plan is to give it. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it in a Macy's video if you're watching. All right, guys. I think that's all I have. Let me know, do you have a favorite of all of these? The Elemis, which I know Elemis is a fan favorite, and Smashbox is good. I just don't know if I've got this primer. I may have the Set Go primer, so I may keep that. And then, of course, I'm keeping my perfume. This is my absolute favorite in this box. And next favorite would be these eye patches, because I do like the gold foil eye patches. And I even like my little hair clip. All right, that's it. You let me know. Be sure and use a Santa Claus or Santa Claus face or Christmas tree in your comments in a sentence if you're interested in the Jubilee. You might as well put it in there, because you never know what video I'm going to use. And I just thank you all so much. I love all my subscribers. And that's all I have today for this Macy's box. And don't forget, you can still get in on January's box if you sign up before the 15th of December. So you've got some time to think about it, but don't wait too long, because they close that door and you can't get that anymore, as they say. But anyways, as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.